Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy a TradingView plan. First, navigate to the TradingView website and locate the pricing or upgrade section. Here, you'll see a clear breakdown of the available subscription options. Take your time to review each plan's features, as they cater to different trading styles and analytical requirements. This initial step is crucial for selecting the right tools for your market analysis. TradingView offers three main paid tiers: Essential, Plus, and Premium. The Essential plan is great for fundamental charting and basic indicators. If you need more advanced features, like 4 charts per layout and custom time intervals, the Plus plan is a solid choice. For professional traders requiring the most comprehensive suite of tools, including 8 charts per layout and second-based intervals, the Premium plan provides everything you need. Once you've selected your preferred plan, you'll decide on the subscription duration. TradingView typically offers both monthly and annual billing cycles. Opting for an annual subscription often provides a substantial saving compared to paying month to month. Proceed to the checkout, where you can securely enter your payment details. Common payment methods include major credit cards and PayPal, ensuring a smooth transaction process. After completing your payment, you'll receive a confirmation of your purchase. Your new TradingView plan will be activated instantly, granting you immediate access to all the upgraded features. Log into your account and start exploring the advanced charting tools, additional indicators, and expanded data options that your chosen plan provides. Enjoy your enhanced trading and analysis experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.